Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a really short video. As of the day that I'm posting this, I have taken 2 weeks off of YouTube, just wrapped up in the election and the drama of the US and the world and everything. I just haven't been able to film anything. All the videos that you've seen were filmed when I was just on a high and had so much to talk about. So today is going to be very short. I just wanted to go ahead and reveal what I got from the Coachtopia Alter Ego collection. This is the first thing I've ever ordered from Coachtopia. I got it 2 days ago, so I already did look at it. This is the box that it came in. I am so confused as to why Coachtopia offers such better, I guess, packaging and presentation, because even when you look at the dust bag, look at how big this dust bag is, and the material of it is just so good. It just says Coachtopia across the bag. It has these longer drawstrings on either side, and then on the back it has this, and I just think it's just so cute. It's such a nice quality dust bag. It says, "Welcome to Coachtopia, a world in progress. Join us to the road to circularity." This is their sustainable brand, and then it just has the tap to connect and everything. And this is just such a good quality dust bag. I wish Coach Retail had better dust bags, because look at this bag. This is what we're usually getting when we're buying Coach Retail, which is typically more expensive than Coachtopia and Coach Outlet. But Coachtopia, we get just such a nice little dust bag, and I just love that. I wanted to show you that comparison right off the bat. So I did order a satchel, the Alter Ego satchel. And the reason why most people don't really mess with Coachtopia is because the leather is kind of weird. You don't know if it's real leather or just like fake recycled polyester or some crazy stuff. But this is actually made from leftover scraps from making bags like the Coach Brooklyn and also the Quilted tabbies. And you could feel it. This feels like retail Coach leather. So I got the satchel, the normal size, and the maple. And this is what it looks like. At first, I saw Brand do a couple of shorts on these, and at first I was like, oh dude, I think I'm gonna return it because I just wasn't into it. But when it got here, I was so impressed. So it came like this, no real factory wrapping. This is all that it had on there, and it has this to secure the straps, unlike the swing zip, but it does look like the alter ego to the swing zip. It did not come with the Coachtopia charm. It just came with a regular hang tag and the Coachtopia tag. But I finally have something in the maple, and it fits really nicely. I'll probably do a full detail video after this. This is going to be really short, but it has the double zipper opening. And like I said, it didn't come factory wrapped at all, but the inside is factory wrapped, or factory stuffed, I should say. So you open it, very smooth zipper, and I haven't unstuffed it. I just wanted to show you that it is factory stuffed. Back pocket with a snap closure, very roomy. And then we have another slip pocket over here that you could put your cards and everything in there. So I just wanted to go ahead and unveil what I got from this drop. I'm very happy with it. At first I was on the fence, maybe I should have got the smaller size because it did look roomy and it was in the dark lime. How I feel about green. But I was like, let me try something different because I do love the swing zip. This looks even more roomier because it's boxy, and I was just really curious. I don't have any dark brown colored bags at all. So I decided to go with this, and I am very happy with it. I'll probably do a little comparison between this satchel and the swing zip bag so you can see like what fits in both. I think this will fit a little bit more just based on the width, but overall I am just super happy with this. And it definitely made my day in this election year time where I get super just stressed out and ups and downs and emotions and things. So this is the satchel from the new Coachtopia Alter Ego drop. I think they're doing really good with this collection, making it look like things that we would buy if it dropped in the retail side of things rather than Coachtopia. Quality is great. It feels just like the Brooklyn bag, just like a little bit thicker, I would say, than the Brooklyn. But overall, I just really love this bag. I'll see you guys later with a more in-depth look at this bag and comparing it with the swing zip. I appreciate everybody for subscribing. I know I haven't been online much and responding to comments as much as I did, but like I said, It's just been up and down. But I appreciate everybody for subscribing and supporting my channel. I'll see you soon in another video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.